My dear brothers and sisters, may peace, mercy, and blessing of Allah be upon you. Today my topic is the Book of Belief, Faith in Sahih al-Bukhari. Faith, for example, to believe in the 6 articles of faith. Number 1, Allah. Number 2, He is Allah's angels. Number 3, He is Allah's messengers. Number 4, He is Allah's books. For example, the Torah, the Gospel, the Quran, etc. Number 5, the day of resurrection. Number 6, Al-Qadr, divine preordainments. Faith has more than 60 subdivisions or parts. The highest one is La ilaha illallah. None has the right to be worshipped but Allah. And the lowest one is to remove harmful things from the ways, roads, passages, etc. Please see Fathul Bari for details. Chapter 1. The statement of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Islam is based on 5 principles, and belief is both saying and acting, and it increases and decreases. Allah revealed the following verses concerning the subject, that they may grow more in faith along with their present faith. Al-Quran 48 verse 4. And we increase them in guidance. Al-Quran 18 verse 13. And Allah increases in guidance those who walk aright, true believers, in the oneness of Allah, who fear Allah much, abstain from all kinds of sins and evil deeds which He has forbidden, and love Allah much, perform all kinds of good deeds which He has ordained. Al-Quran 19 verse 76. And said, as for those who accept guidance, He, for example, Allah increases their guidance and bestows on them their piety. Al-Quran 47 verse 17. And the believers may increase in faith. Al-Quran 74 verse 31. Which of you has had his faith increased by it? As for those who believe, it has increased their faith. Al-Quran 9 verse 1 to 4. And also the statement of Allah, fear them, but it only increased them in faith. Al-Quran 3 verse 173. And also the statement of Allah, and it only added to their faith and to their submissiveness to Allah. Al-Quran 33 verse 22. And to love and hate for Allah's sake is part of faith. Umar bin Abdul Aziz wrote to Adi bin Adi, belief includes faraid, enjoined duties, legal laws, and hudud, Allah's boundary, limits between lawful and unlawful things, and sunan, legal ways, and deeds, acts of worship, etc. And whoever follows and acts on all of them completely has a complete belief, and whoever does not follow them completely, does not act on them, his belief is incomplete. And should I live, I will tell you all about them, so that you may act on them. And should I die, I am not anxious to have your company. And the Prophet Abraham alayhi salam said, but to be stronger in faith. Al-Quran 2 verse 260. Masud said to Aswad bin Hilal, one of his companions, let us sit for a while so that we may dedicate that period of time to faith. Ibn Masud said, Yaqeen is perfect faith. And Ibn Umar said, a person cannot attain true sense of piety unless and until he removes all suspicion from his heart. For example, gives up all kinds of polytheism, evil deeds and doubtful things, and start doing righteous good deeds regularly. See Fathul Bari, Volume 1, page 54. And Mujahid said, He, Allah, has ordained for you. Al-Quran 42 verse 13 means, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have ordained for you and him no one religion. For example, Islamic monotheism. And Ibn Abbas explained a law and a clear way, Al-Quran 5 verse 48, as Islamic way and Sunnah traditions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Chapter 2. Your invocation means your faith. And Allah said, say, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to the disbelievers, my Lord pays attention to you only because of your invocation to Him. Al-Quran 25 verse 77. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.